Hi guys! For today's video, mahawatan nyo guys, tortang talong. Ang aking ulam. Tingin kain guys. So guys. Kain. Ito guys. Kuhanan ko na. Tapos, sausa natin sa tuyo at suka. Yan. Then, that's it. Masarap magkamay guys. Kain. So,